On today's menu, an absolutely amazing and versatile Chinese chili oil.
Lei Ho Ma everyone, I'm Will Young. I bet you didn't realize how easy it was to make your very own chili oil. This is amazing crushed red pepper. Just look how red that is. Now keep in mind, this is made by crushing the skins from the red pepper, not so much the seeds, opposed to the crushed pepper you put on your pizza. That won't work the same way in this recipe. This is why your chili oil has that amazing red color.
4 tablespoons red pepper powder, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, pestle and mortar, 1 teaspoon sichuan peppercorn, star anise, bay leaf, 1 teaspoon sesame oil.
This is the new potpourri. It's just incredible.
Medium-high heat, saucepan, 1 cup grapeseed or vegetable oil. Let the oil heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Place in a small piece of ginger. When the ginger turns golden brown, remove and turn the heat off.
Fried ginger kind of smells like French fries. Just carefully pour in that hot oil. It's such a sensation and a real treat to make chili oil. The sesame seeds and the red pepper just explodes.
You can now make this incredible chili oil with absolute confidence.
Man, that is absolutely just incredible. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.